to extend a very warm welcome to each one of you gathered here today for this inspiring session. Correspondent sir and senior principal ma'am to honor our resource person with a small memento.
Or anything, collector or CEO, DO, correspondent or principal, whatever, ஒரே நாள்ல வந்துதா இல்ல, reached and kept were not attained by sudden flight. They, while their companions slept, were toiling upward in the night. அவங்களோடு சேர்ந்தவங்க எல்லாம் தூங்கும்போது, அவங்களோடு சேர்ந்து இருக்கும்போது, when they were talking, gossiping, watching reels, YouTube and videos, TV, serial and mobile, these people were working day and night. Okay, fix it up.
Breaking something.
Okay, when you are angry, you will, I will tell you, my children, who want purity? Okay, or they have the door now, but you know something. You will also do. How many of you do like that? Fringe. And the background which you are following, right? Okay, you study normal thing. அங்க ஒரு பேட்டர்ன் இருக்குது. Reading, writing, grammar, literature. அங்க writing இடத்துல வந்து create writing. Creative தான் எழுதணும். அது வந்து writing letter to somebody or writing a notice writing or diary entry. இன்னைக்கு today you have celebrated your annual day. Write a diary entry on your annual day. மனசுன்னு சொன்ன பத்தாதா? வானத்து மாதிரி உனக்கு அவ்வளோ பெரிய மனசுடா. அப்போ you can compare. You need not copy anything. உங்க மனசுக்கு என்ன தோணுதோ you can compare. Inside the cage, how will you feel sad? At least one day. Will you give me holiday to come around the world? Something like that. Okay, children? Okay.